Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best pegboard hooks is probably one of the most underrated organizational tools out there. They're incredibly versatile, allowing you to transform a blank pegboard into a highly functional space. Whether you're looking to tidy up your garage, organize your craft room, or create a more efficient workspace, pegboard hooks offer a simple yet effective solution for maximizing vertical storage and keeping your items within easy reach. Number 5. FRIMOONY 80-piece pegboard hooks assortment. Introducing the FRIMOONY pegboard hooks assortment. This set is designed to help you organize your tools and keep your space tidy. It's a great solution for any workshop or home. This assortment includes 80 pieces with 13 different types of hooks and bins. It comes with everything you need to organize a wide variety of tools. This set offers a versatile storage solution. These hooks are suitable for both 1/8 and 1/4 inch pegboards. The universal fit makes it easy to integrate them into your existing setup. It's designed for convenience and ease of use. Made from high-quality iron with a nickel-plated finish, this product is built to last. The finish ensures that it won't rust or corrode, providing long-lasting performance. You can rely on it for years. The included stainless steel peg locks keep the hooks securely in place. Simply clip them over the hooks to lock them into the pegboard holes. This feature ensures your tools stay organized. Perfect for organizing your garage, workbench, kitchen, or basement. This product helps you keep your tools safe, clean, and easily accessible. It's an essential tool for any organized space. What we like. This set offers a comprehensive 80-piece assortment, including bins and locks, providing a complete organizational solution. The stainless steel locks ensure the hooks stay securely in place. If you have a wide variety of tools and accessories to organize, this set is perfect for creating a tidy and efficient workspace. What people say. The hooks fit perfectly and are very sturdy. These pegboard hooks are exactly what I needed to organize my tools. The hooks are well made and hold a lot of weight. Number 4. Neiko 53100A 4-inch pegboard hooks kit. These hooks are made of heavy-duty hardened steel. They are built to provide maximum strength and longevity, ensuring they can withstand years of use. The nickel plating gives it a superior look and feel. This finish also helps to reduce wear and tear, keeping them in great condition. These hooks are perfect for the shop, garage, or any space needing organization. You can efficiently create room in your workspace or home with them. These hooks fit all types of 1/4 inch pegboards with 1 spacing. It's designed to organize and store a wide range of items. Each utility hook is easy to set up. You can quickly arrange them to organize your garage, home, or storage areas. What we like. Made from heavy-duty steel with a nickel-plated finish, this kit is built for durability and a premium look. The nickel plating also helps to reduce wear and tear. If you are looking for long-lasting hooks that can withstand heavy use in your garage or workshop, this is a great choice. What people say. They're incredibly sturdy and hold everything securely, from tools to craft supplies. I can hold multiple bags on one hook and I've never had any issues with the hook quality or build quality. It makes it super easy to organize and hold multiple products. Does exactly what it needs to for hanging into standard 1/4 pegboard. No bulb on the end to make it harder to slide things on off. Sturdy enough to hang wrenches, and if spaced properly they can hold some power tools. Number 3. Pegboard Hooks Organizer Kit, Universal Fit. Tired of a cluttered workspace? This kit offers a comprehensive solution. It includes a variety of hooks and bins to organize your tools effectively. The kit contains 16 different types of accessories, including hooks, bins, and locks. These accessories are designed to accommodate various tools and items. These accessories are designed to fit most standard pegboards. Each hook includes a lock to keep your tools securely in place. Made from durable, corrosion-resistant steel, this kit is built to last. The galvanized treatment ensures that it will not rust or corrode. This kit helps you organize your garage, workshop, kitchen, or any space. It provides a practical way to store and access your tools. With this kit, you can keep your space tidy and efficient. You can easily rearrange the accessories to suit your changing needs. What we like. This kit boasts an impressive 258 pieces, offering a vast array of hooks and accessories for all your storage needs. The corrosion-resistant galvanized treatment ensures that it will last for a long time. If you need maximum versatility and a comprehensive storage solution for your tools and supplies, you should consider this one. What people say. The double straight bar hanger in this kit worked perfectly for this. The locking clips are awesome and work very good for keeping the hook up against the pegboard, so when you go to remove a tool, the hook doesn't lift up when removing it from the hook. This kit had everything I needed to get them organized, and I still had extras left over. Number 2. Pegboard Hooks Assortment with Metal Hooks. Tired of cluttered tools? This assortment of pegboard hooks and organizers is the perfect solution. It helps you to keep everything neat and easy to find. These hooks fit all standard 1/8" and 1/4 pegboards with 1 spacing. You don't have to worry about compatibility issues. It's designed for your convenience. The set includes various hooks, bins, and peg locks. This provides a versatile storage system for all your tools and accessories. It helps you make the most of your space. Setting up this system is quick and easy. Simply insert the hooks into your pegboard and start organizing. It's a simple way to transform your workspace. Made with high-quality materials, this assortment is built to last. It provides a sturdy and reliable storage solution for years to come. You can depend on it for all your needs. What we like. This set is designed to fit all standard pegboards, making it a versatile choice for any setup. It also includes bins to help you organize smaller items. If you are looking for a simple and effective way to organize your tools and supplies, this is a great option. What people say. With 114 pieces in total, this set provides an extensive selection of hooks in different sizes and styles to accommodate various tools and equipment. The metal hooks are made from high-quality materials that ensure durability and strength. The peg locks included in this set ensure a secure fit between the hooks and the pegboard. Number 1. Colorstorm Pegboard Hooks Kit 100 PK Black Peg Hooks. These hooks are designed to eliminate those frustrating, loose J-style plastic peg hooks. They provide a secure and reliable solution for your pegboard organization. Unlike other hooks, this product doesn't have split barbs that can damage your peg holes. It's designed to protect your pegboard while providing a strong hold. The hooks feature a smooth system to protect your pegboards. This design ensures that your pegboard remains in excellent condition while you organize your items. These pegboard hooks have rounded safety tips. They are designed with your safety in mind, making them easy to handle and use without any sharp edges. These black peg hooks fit 1/4 pegboard hole size and are easy to install and move around. You can quickly rearrange your setup as needed, making organization a breeze. Each pack comes with 100 black hooks, providing plenty to organize your space. It's a convenient and cost-effective way to get your pegboard organized. What we like. These hooks are designed to eliminate loose hooks and protect your pegboards with a smooth system and rounded safety tips. The black color adds a sleek look to your organization. If you like a clean and modern aesthetic and want to protect your pegboard, you should consider these. What people say. Perfect for what I needed them for. I bought the goods in the color black negate. I wanted a sleek classic color, and what's better for that than black. I use these to hold my cross-stitch embroidery thread on a pegboard hung up in my craft room. They are quick and easy to put up, take off, and the hook part is large and sturdy enough I can really store 4 to 5 skeins of thread on each hook. They are plastic but strong. Durable and perfect for our pegboard organizer. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.